Hey, what's up guys? This is Steel Rain and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be doing something I haven't done before yet on this channel. I'm going to be doing a giveaway of this IFlight Beetle frame here. Now what you'll get with this frame is a canopy. I've already super glued in some antenna mounts to make it extra easy for you guys because it's near impossible to mount an antenna with this frame. This is the first canopy actually got ruined. This one was for my working model, but I've decided to move on to a different project, so you'll get that. You'll get 4 rear arms. These are the version 2 arms, fully carbon molded instead of the wood ones that came with it. You'll get 2 of the brand new version 2 front arms, as well as the original front and rear arms that have the I guess the sandwiched wood in there. So you'll also get brand new hardware, a lipo strap, a FPV camera mount, brand new bottom plate for you, some standoff hardware and things like that, and of course the Team IFlight stickers. Now what you need to do to become eligible for this drawing, which is going to happen next Friday, February 9th, 2018, you need to be a subscriber to my channel. Please leave 1 comment down below in the comment section, no more than 1. Because that'll eliminate you from the random comment picker. And next Friday on the 9th, I'll be picking somebody using a random comment picker from your comments down below. So please subscribe, like, and share this video. Spread the wealth. My way of giving back to the FPV community. Hopefully somebody could use this frame more than I can and make some good use out of it. And until next time, guys, I'll see you. I also forgot to mention, guys, this giveaway is only going to be available within the continental U.S. and I'll pay for shipping to have it shipped to your door. So any one of the continental U.S. states, I'll ship it no problem. And so I'll see you guys next Friday. Hopefully, good luck on the drawing. And quick disclaimer: YouTube has absolutely nothing to do with this giveaway or this drawing. So I'll see you guys next time.